This is just a quick way to show you how to make a simple reusable paintable stencil. So I'm just going to click text. I'm going to put my cap locks on, put a T, capital T. I'm going to change my font, which is up here, and I'm going to go to all. I'm going to type in CHY, and this is the font I'm going to use. Now I'm going to make it a little bigger because I want it to be 4 by 4. So I'm going to go up to width and go 4 by 4. Press enter. And this is where you lock it so it doesn't change. Now to put a square over it. So I'm just going to click on shapes, click square. I want the square a little bit bigger. So we're going to go 5 by 5. 5. And height, we're going to go by 5. Press enter and lock it. Now I'm going to put it over the T, right click on it, and we're going to move backward. So I want to center this in the square. So I'm going to click center. You can see that it moves. And this is where you would use the slicing tool. So we're going to just click slice. I'm going to pull out the 1T and the 1T, and we're going to delete and delete. So we just have this. So when we go to cut it out, only the T will be cut out. To create another mat, just right click. We're just going to duplicate for just purposes for today. Highlight it. We're going to change the color. We'll change it purple. There we go. We've got 2 mats. Now we're going to left click on make it. Make it. You'll see that we have 2. I'm just going to move it over here. And mat number 2, we're just going to move it over here. And that's it. And then from here, we're going to click continue. Over here, it will say connect to the machine. And we have to set the material being plastic transparency. We're going to browse all materials, scroll down to plastic. And we're going to use transparency setting and click done. So we're all set to cut our stencils.